Hello everybody, with you I'm Rodward Danny from AW for the Lens, and I'm here to discuss with you a very important topic and very important issue about English, which is the present simple tense. This topic will be our first topic uh, in the English course tutorials. Okay, and just an introduction for me. I'm Amr Wardani from Egypt, and I'm trying to just enhance uh, people all over the world with English, especially the junior learners from all over the world. And I have been trying to be a volunteer in Ukraine for GoCamp as a volunteer, English volunteer, to enhance the kids' level of English. So let's get started. Our own topic today is the present simple tense, and I'm also going to discuss with you. Um, First of all, I want you to subscribe and let's get started. Just the first thing is the positive and negative of the present simple tense. Just to be fair with you, the positive and negative is same as are the same in every language. So if we are trying to say about I, we, you, and they, each of them has its own form in the sentence. So if we get started to say I like cheese, and we like cheese, and you like cheese, they like cheese. This is it in the positive form. What if we are saying that we are trying to say that in negative form? So we can say I don't like, cheese, and we don't like cheese, and the same with they and you. I'm going to give you a note in the next slides about specific thing about like or our own daily life activities. I will tell you a note about that. By the way, spoiler alert that he and she and it takes s at the end of the verb in the present simple. He or she or it. If I'm saying that he likes cheese or she likes cheese, and in the negative form we say she doesn't like cheese. The other thing is the questions and short answers. If we are trying to discuss something like, I want to give a question from one of the students or one of my friends. I want to ask him if he likes the cheese. I can tell him that, um, do you like cheese? Or do I like cheese if I'm asking myself? Or do we like cheese? Or do they like cheese? And also, if we are using he or she or it, that will be different, because if we're trying to use he or she or it, that will be different, because if he and she and it are from the, you're going to add s. Okay, so this is spoiler alert also. And the answer is yes, I do, or yes, we do, or yes, they do, or yes, you do. And it's the same thing in the negative. So, what is the usage of the present simple? The usage of the present simple is really important to know. So, but just tell me, you can just give me your own answer in your mind for 1 second. What do you think? Why the present simple is important in the English language? Maybe we are trying to express ourselves every day, everyday routine, something like that. Let's see. The first thing is the habits. We use the present simple to talk about things we do in all of the time. It's the same as habits of every day. Yeah, it's the same like that. Because if I try to say I get the service pass at 7 a.m. every day, every morning, that means that every day and every morning I get the service pass. Why I didn't say I gets? Because it's not I. It's I, not he or she or it. You should just keep that in mind. He or she or it takes S, but I, you, they don't take S. Okay, at the end of the sentence. And if we are talking about Ali, Ali brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. Brushes. If you notice that we have S, it means Ali. We can remove Ali, and we can something like that. We can put he, because it's the same thing. I play football at break time. I play. It's not I plays, it's wrong. I play football. He plays football. We play football. Okay? The other thing is that we can try to say my sister goes sailing at the weekend. Things that were always true. Or things that are true, always true, something like the sky is blue. It's always blue. The sky is always blue. And the earth goes around the sun. It's something like it always happened. So I'm a student. It's a fact. I'm a student. And we can say also that the tigers are big cats. It's a fact also. School starts at 8 a.m. and finishes at 3 p.m. It's the same also because it's a fact in our life. Okay, it's also a routine. The school starts at 8 a.m. Remember, spoiler alert number 2. Verbs ending in ch or s or sh or o or x, we just add es, not s only. If we are trying to see something like watch, we can say watches like this. Guess, guesses. Finish, finishes. Go, goes. Fax, faxes. And the verb is ending in something like p, c, d, f, g. Change y to ies. Something like study, studies. Carry, carries. Fly, flies. Let's try the last thing. Find the mistake. Do he like basketball? What is the mistake here? Okay guys, I will tell you a great thing. Let's make a task for us. I will give you a task and you will do it for me. You will just revise those sentences and questions and give me the right answer in the comments, and I will say if you are right or wrong. I will give you a mark. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers, and I'm waiting also for your comments. I'm waiting for your feedback, and this is my own first tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's so small, but we can try to enhance it every tutorial we will make. I need your feedback. Thank you so much, and subscribe for me if you needed any help. I'm always with you. Thank you so much.